Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing an amp that breaks up early. Tube amps or crunchy solid-state heads work best because they compress and distort dynamically. Once you have that, plug an overdrive or fuzz before the amp and set drive near 6 to 7 so notes sustain without flubbing. Make sure your guitar volume sits around 7 and use the bridge pickup for attack. Then set amp EQ roughly balanced, bass around 5, mid slightly lower, treble at 6 to cut through. Once the basic breakup is set, focus on chain and tone shaping so your amp breathes like the records. Place fuzz or overdrive first, then modulation, then ambient effects. This keeps distortion consistent. Dial mids down around 600 to 800 Hz to emulate the scooped Nirvana midrange, and raise presence or treble slightly so riffs bite. Make reverb light and spring-like. Set delay for slap or thickening only. Finally, match pedal out. You finish by balancing playing dynamics and small EQ moves so the amp sings without getting muddy. Once done, use the guitar volume to drop back into cleaner tones for verses and bring it up for choruses. This preserves the raw feel. Mic the cabinet toward the cone edge for brightness and move 6 to 12 inches back for room. Make adjustments until riffs cut. If things go wrong, reduce bass by 1 to 2 points, lower fuzz gain, and verify speaker and cable integrity. Then rebalance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.